Hello class 6. Let's continue the chapter minerals, nuclear energy or atomic energy. Nuclear energy is obtained from radioactive substances like uranium and thorium. It is an expensive source. Nuclear energy is an expensive source and at the same time harmful. Harmful because it generates radioactive waste, and radioactive waste are harmful and dangerous for our health. That's why they are harmful. Nuclear energy, they are harmful for our health. Nuclear energy is known as energy of the future. Distribution of nuclear energy in the world. The world's first atomic power station designed mainly for electricity production. For generating electricity only, it was came into operation in 1957 at Calder Hall, UK, United Kingdom. USA, France, Italy, Japan, China, Korea, Canada and India are the leading producers of nuclear energy in the world. India is also in the race. It means it also produces nuclear energy. Nuclear energy in India, at present about 3% of the energy produced in India is obtained from nuclear power plants. The first, listen carefully, the first atomic power station in India was set up in Tarapur in 1969. Tarapur is in Maharashtra. Now, iron ore. Iron ore is the basis of modern civilization. It forms the foundation of industrial growth. It is used in almost all types of machines, machine tools, construction of buildings, factories and various means of transport. Iron ore is considered as the backbone of modern civilization because development of all other industries depends on iron ore. It is because of its universal use that the per capita consumption of iron in a country is the indicator of its level of economic development. There are two main iron ore minerals, hematite and magnetite. Hematite contains 69.9% iron ore, while magnetite, it contains 72.4% iron. Okay, they are main iron ore minerals, hematite and magnetite. Iron is widely used metal in the world. Yes, iron is widely used metal in the world. It can be converted into different forms such as cast iron, sheets, magnetic iron and steel. It is more useful than other metals due to its hardness, strength, ductility. Ductility means flexibility. When it gets heated, then it expands, and durability. Distribution of iron ore in India. Most of the iron ore mines of India are located in the states of Odisha, Karnataka, Goa, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. About 50% of India's reserves are in Odisha. Sundargarh, Mayurbang and Keonjhar districts of Odisha are the major iron ore producers. Karnataka ranks second in the productivity of iron ore in India. Kemmangudi in Karnataka is the leading producer of iron ore. Distribution of ore in the world: USA, Russia, Ukraine, Australia, Brazil, India and Canada are the major producers of iron ore in the world. Lake Superior and Alabama region are the two most important regions of USA. Regions of USA of iron production. There are three main areas of iron ore mining in Canada. They are in Lake Superior region. These are Ontario, Quebec and Newfoundland. Sweden is the leading iron ore producer of Europe. Global distribution of iron ore reserves: Canada 2%, China 8%, Australia 17%, Brazil 18%, India 5%, Russia 16%, Ukraine 10%, United States 3%, Sweden 3% and rest of the world is having 18%. Okay. This we call what? Pie chart. With the help of pie chart, you understood the global distribution of iron ore reserves. Now, copper. Copper is a reddish orange metal that has been widely used for more than 5,000 years because it was discovered before iron. That's why this is the first metal which was discovered. Okay, and it was copper only. Early humans, they used to make tools with copper, but when iron was discovered, they started making tool with the help of iron because of it was stronger than copper. Copper. Uses of copper. Copper is used in electrical appliances, electrical wires or electrical appliances. You can see over there copper is used. It is used for making cooking utensils, radiators and refrigerators. For making refrigerators, radiators, copper is used, and cooking utensils also. Copper metal is malleable. Copper metal is malleable. Malleable means it expands when you hammer. After hammering, it expands. It is also used to make alloy such as brass and bronze. Many times in this chapter you heard this word alloy. What is alloy? An alloy is a mixture of a metal. An alloy is a mixture of a metal with one or more other elements. An alloy generally has properties that make it more useful than the pure metal. Examples: steel, bronze and brass are some examples of alloy. Okay, these are also alloy: steel, bronze and brass. Distribution of copper in the world: Chile, USA, Canada, Africa and Russia are the major producers of copper in the world. Chile is the largest producer of copper and it produces nearly 16% of the total production in the world. Chile is the largest producer of copper in the world. Distribution of copper in India: Jharkhand and Rajasthan are the largest producers of copper in India. Chaibasa, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, Khetri, Rajasthan are the major copper mines of India. Bauxite. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. It is used for making utensils, spare parts of automobiles, aeroplanes and in the shipbuilding industry. It can be made stronger by mixing it with other metals to form alloys. It is also used in electrical equipments, industry, and for transmitting electricity. Distribution of bauxite in the world: Australia, Guinea, Brazil, Suriname, Russia and France are the major producers of bauxite in the world. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. Australia. Distribution of bauxite in India: Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand and the Maharashtra are the major producers of bauxite in India. Odisha, Kalahandi, Koraput, Sundargarh, Balangiri and Sambalpur districts are the major producers of bauxite. The mineral is also produced in the Nilgiri, Coimbatore and Salem districts of Tamil Nadu. Now, gold. Gold properties make it one of the most coveted metals in the world. Coveted means earnestly desired. Desired metal is gold. Gold is used in manufacture coin, medal, jewelry, etc. Because of its usefulness and diverse properties, it remained as a medium of exchange for a long period of time. Medium of exchange, it means for doing trade with another country, our currency will not work over there. That's why that time the medium of exchange is gold. China, Australia, Russia, USA is the major producers of gold in the world. China, Russia, USA and Australia. They are the major producers of gold in the world. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh are the major producers of gold in India. In India, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Silver. Silver is another precious metal produced in India. It is valued next only to gold for making ornaments due to its softness and attractive white color. After gold, for making ornaments, we take the name of silver. Diamond also we take generally, but in gold, silver. It had been an important currency metal in several parts of the world. It is also used in the manufacture of chemicals, electroplanting, photography and for coloring glass, etc. Mexico is the leading producer of silver, followed by China and Russia. Mexico, China and Russia. Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh are leading producers of silver in India. That's all for the day. We will continue this chapter in next video. I want you all to read the chapter first. To read the topic first, you have to read from page number 77 to 81. Okay? Then only you will understand the chapter and will able to give answer of each question. Okay? Thank you.